In 23 years of turning wrenches, I've noticed something. The trucks that come into my shop for major repairs almost always wear an American badge or a German one. The trucks that come in for nothing but oil changes year after year, decade after decade, are very often Japanese. There's a reason for that, and there's a reason retired buyers are quietly figuring it out. If you're on a fixed income, you don't want a truck that's a gamble. You want one that simply refuses to break down. Today, I'm counting down 6 Japanese trucks that do exactly that. Simple, dependable pickups that are perfect for a senior who wants to buy once and stop worrying. Let's get into it. Number 6. Mazda B-Series. Starting at number 6 is a truck most people don't even know exists, the Mazda B-Series. Here's the secret. The B-Series is mechanically a Ford Ranger with a different badge, same frame, same engine, same parts at every auto parts store in the country. Why does that matter for a senior? Because that badge means you can buy one for thousands less than an identical Ranger sitting right next to it. It is small, light, easy to climb into, and easy to park. The 4-cylinder versions are simple and durable. If you want the cheapest possible way into a dependable little pickup, the B-Series is a quiet bargain almost nobody is looking at. Number 5. Honda Ridgeline. At number 5 is the Honda Ridgeline, and this is the truck I recommend to seniors who care most about comfort. The Ridgeline rides like a comfortable sedan, not a stiff work truck. It is quiet on the highway. The seats are genuinely easy on an older back. The step in height is low, no climbing, no hauling yourself up. Under the hood is a Honda V6 engine from the same family. Honda has been refining for decades. These engines routinely run past 200,000 miles with nothing but basic maintenance. And the Ridgeline has a clever lockable trunk built right into the bed floor. It is perfect for groceries or tools you do not want sliding around. For a senior who wants truck capability with car comfort, this is the one. Number 4. Mitsubishi Mighty Max and Raider. Sliding into number 4 is the underdog of this list. Mitsubishi's small trucks, sold over the years as the Mighty Max and later the Raider. Mitsubishi has never gotten the credit it deserves for building tough, simple machinery. For a senior, the appeal here is the same as the Mazda. These are cheap, simple, and overlooked, which means you are not paying a premium for a badge. They have fewer electronics, fewer things to fail, and a price that leaves money in your pocket. Parts take a little more patience to track down than a Toyota, so I would factor that in. Mechanically, these little trucks are honest and dependable. If this is helping you, do me a favor and hit subscribe. I post honest truck advice every week, written for buyers, not for dealerships. Now back to the countdown. Number 3, Nissan Frontier. At number 3 is a truck I'd put in almost any retired person's driveway without a second thought, the Nissan Frontier, specifically the second generation built from 2005 to 2019. Here's why it's so good. Nissan barely changed it for 14 years. They kept building the same simple, proven truck while everyone else chased complexity. It's a mid-size, easy to get in and out of, easy to park, but it has a real 4-liter V6 with genuine power for towing a small camper or a boat. That V6 is the star. It's the same engine family that powered the Nissan 350Z sports car. Naturally aspirated, timing chain, no turbo, nothing clever to break. I've personally seen these engines pass 300,000 miles on factory internals. A retired customer of mine pulls a camper. across the country every summer with one, and in years of ownership, it has never let him down. The Frontier is reliability you can set your watch by. Number 2, Toyota Tundra, first generation. Number 2 is the first generation Toyota Tundra built in the early 2000s, and this is the pick for the senior who wants a full-size truck that will genuinely last the rest of their driving life. The heart of it is the 4.7-liter I-Forced 5.8. Mechanics have a deep respect for this engine. It was over-engineered from the factory, built to a standard, not a price. Hitting 300,000 miles on one of these is common, not remarkable. Everything about this truck feels heavier and more solid than it needed to be. One honest note from a mechanic: this generation uses a timing belt, not a chain, so it needs replacing on schedule. Budget for that. Check the frame for rust, especially in salt states. If the frame is solid and the belt is fresh, you've found a full-size truck that will outlive almost anything new on the lot today. Number 1, Toyota Tacoma. And here it is. Number 1, the truck that earned its legendary reputation, honestly, the Toyota Tacoma. There is a reason the Tacoma holds its value better than almost any truck on the road. It simply does not quit. The V6 versions are bulletproof. The build quality is excellent, and it is a mid-size, so it is easy to climb into, easy to see out of, and easy to park. Everything a senior wants in a daily driver. I'll be straight with you about one thing. Because the Tacoma is so reliable, everybody knows it, and that means you will pay more for one than for a comparable Frontier. My honest advice, if the Tacoma fits your budget, is that it is the safest, most dependable truck purchase you can make, and it will give you 15 years of service. If the price feels steep, the Frontier at number 3 delivers nearly the same reliability for thousands less. Either way, you cannot go wrong. Closing. So there they are. 6 Japanese trucks that simply refuse to break down. The Mazda B-Series and the Mitsubishi for the budget-minded. The Honda Ridgeline for comfort. The first generation Tundra for full-size durability. The Nissan Frontier for proven, no-drama reliability. And the king of them all, the Toyota Tacoma. Here's my final word for any senior watching this. The best truck for you isn't the flashiest one on the lot. It's the one that starts every morning, costs almost nothing to maintain, and never leaves you stranded. Every truck on this list does exactly that. Whatever you choose, buy used to skip the depreciation and always get a pre-purchase inspection from an independent mechanic before you hand over $1. Spend $150. It's the best money you'll ever spend. If this helped you or someone in your family, hit like and subscribe. I post honest, no-nonsense vehicle advice every week. Drive safe, take care of your truck, and it'll take care of you. I'll see you in the next one.